Here we go, another beautiful day in the Highlands. We got a wee family here from Italy. Are you enjoying your visit to Scotland?
Aye.
Yeah. Did you enjoy your visit into the Scratchy Heat Film Studio? To hear, eh? Sorry, what was your names again?
Francesco.
Rosita and Giacomo.
Oh, Giacomo, eh? Welcome to the Highlands. Safe trip.
Thank you.
Mummy's fussing around Giacomo. I don't need a seatbelt. I don't need a jacket. Eh, I'm a man. I need jacket. Take care, wee man, eh?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, and thank you, Giacomo. Eh? One last handshake from Scotland to Italy. Magic, magic. Take care. Hello. Thank you.